Sitting here in my office, contemplating life, and once again, when you figure out something on your own, it's priceless. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Sometimes the downstream injector was working, other times it wasn't, and I was about to buy a new one, and then I figured out the problem. Turns out it was the tips I was using. Here it is right here. I took it off and took it in the garage. I removed this part, and there's a little spring and ball in there. Saw some videos, really simple, thinking it was going to be dirty, but it really wasn't. It seemed clean to me, and the spring was freely moving. I saw a video where you just take the hose off. This part here, where the hose is, you can take something really narrow like a paper clip and push on it, and you should feel a little bit of back pressure. That means that spring is moving freely, so that's what you really need to check there. Anyways, that was all working just fine, and I didn't want to continue to try to test it with my bleach, and then I figured I would want to have something that's more visible, so I was thinking maybe I'll just put some food coloring in a bucket and then spray that into another bucket to see if it was drawing. And then I thought of doing this. The line is hooked up to this little valve here, so I put it on the hose that goes to my drop stick into my water tank. So I took that little feed hose and then just put it in a small bucket, or a small jug, and just water, and then mark the line, so that way when I do my testing I can see if it draws any. And I realized what the problem was. I was at first trying to use a green tip and a white tip, and it was too small of a tip. There's too high of a pressure. So I used my tall reach tip that I use for soft washing, and that is the solution. Should have known better. You have to have a larger orifice there for it to draw through the downstream injector. Actually, at first I was just using the ball valve with no connection to the gun, and it was very obvious it was drawing. So that was how I figured it out. If you guys have any better solutions, let me know in the comments. Also, if you want to see a video on everything that's on my 5x8 trailer, let me know as well.